welcome to my video. My name is Romy Perez Jr. from 11th Standard D. And in this video, we are going to learn on how to find the derivatives of a function using the long method. So, without further ado, let's do it. Alright, in finding the derivatives of function, we need this formula. The f prime of x is equal to the limit of f quantity of x plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches to 0. And here's one example. The function of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. And here's how to find the derivatives using the formula. First, in the formula, we need to substitute x with x plus h. So here's what we're gonna do. The f prime of x is equal to the limit of x plus h squared plus 2 quantity of x plus h plus 1 all over h minus just copy the function and x squared plus 2x plus 1. You need to put parentheses here so that it indicates that the negative here is distributed to each term inside the parentheses as h approaches to 0. Next, we need to expand this one to find we need to simplify each term. F prime of x is equal to the limit of x plus h times x plus h plus 2x plus h plus 1. The negative sign right here needs to be distributed in each term inside the parentheses. So it will become negative x squared and the positive 2x will turn into negative 2x. The positive 1 will become negative 1 all over h as h approaches to 0. Next, we need to evaluate this one to find we need to complete the square. F prime of x is equal to the limit of x times x is x squared plus x times h 2xh plus h times h squared. 2xh here came from x times h and h times x. When we add them, they become 2xh plus 2x, 2 times h and plus 2h plus 1 minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 all over h as h approaches to 0. Next, we have to cancel out all the terms that are the same with different signs because it'll just become 0. So next is f prime of x is equal to the limit of this one will be cancelled out, the x squared and the x squared, because they will just become 0. And this one too, the negative 1 and the positive 1, the negative 2x and positive 2x. Then the rest will just copy 2xh plus h plus 2h all over h as h approaches to 0. Next, we know that if we just replace 0 in every h, this one will turn 0 and our function will become undefined. So what we have to do is to take out all h so that this one can be cancelled. This is how we do it. F prime of x is equal to the limit of h times 2x plus h plus 2 all over h equals to 0. This one we just transfer the a took the h in each term out, but it didn't change the equation. If you multiply this, it'll just turn back to the same equation, and we cancel the h. Now all that left is just this one, prime of x, 2x plus h plus 2 as h approaches to 0. Next that we have to do is just to replace 0 in h. It will turn to f prime of x is equal to 2x plus 0 plus 2. You see that the limit is gone because we already substituted 0 to h. And the final answer is that f prime of x is equal to 2x plus 2. That's the derivative of our function f of x equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. There you have it. Now you have learned on how to derive a function using the long method. Till next time.
I've tried playing it cool,